Daily discussion thread for September 1, 2023. Join WSB's community voice chat every day from 8:30 a.m. to whenever. Check out our earnings thread and rules. I will shoot myself in the nuts if this keeps getting green. I got fired. Unemployment rate going up is bullish clown face. Never bet against America, just its employees. Remember when a couple months ago the reason for the pump was resilient economy job market? Now it's time to pump it because unemployment is rising. These news outlets put on their clown mask every day to justify the market movements. Bought 0 DTEs at 11.15. SPY is exact same price and I'm down 70 RIP. Lost all my money gambling this week, fixing my car in the O'Reilly's parking lot RN. Bears had 4 days this week to get out and keep doubling down. IMG emote T52TH524271. Buy the rumor, buy the news. Hey, TSLA Bull. Shit makes no sense. They rigged the report. Not even surprised at this point. We just pump on any number, really. We would have pumped on lower numbers too. Just any number is a reason to pump. Inflation is re-accelerating and the unemployment rate is going up. Soft landing. IMG emote T52TH52 18630. 12 mom unemployment increase? Sips coffee shits fucked up Bruther. My trading is usually done in the bathroom stall at work. Okay, confess. Who bought 0 DTE calls at open? The $700 I made Tuesday is now worth $0 today. Fuck. I had 5 in the palm of my hand for like an hour but was greedy for 10. Now here I sit at 30. First move always fake. Second one too. Third as well. Fourth move. Now that one is also fake. Guess we just gotta tough it out. 187k people will lose their jobs by open emo. A lot of bearish comments. Green Day for sure and see many of you never again because you're gonna be broke. When is bad news actually bad news? I just need to make 6 or 7 major life changes and then I'll be fine. All that shit we just sold? Buy it back. How does it feel, bears? How does it feel knowing the MMs have played you with these fake big swings to try to get you to change position, sell early, fuck with your profits? It's okay. Come to me. I shall give you the emotional love your parents never gave you. For we are all equals here. I shall hold you and tell you it will be okay as your money melts away and the MMs high five about it. Fellow regards. Read this. This guy is so knowledgeable. Stock moves against you fast, you lose. Stock moves against you slow, you lose. Stock moves sideways, you lose. Stock moves your way but slow, you lose. Stock moves your way fast, you win. You got a 1 Indiana 5 chance. Don't screw it up. Bulls making money while bears in denial. Love to see it. IMG emote T52TH524276. Poos losing jobs are good for market. Unemployment doesn't mean inflation go down. Could be unemployment inflation both up. X200B. Market is celebrating poor's getting poorer. IMG emote T52TH524271. I picked the wrong week to be a fucking regard, that's for sure. This sub has infected my mind. I'm checking tickers pre-market and my mind be like, fake, gay, super fake, gay, beer trap, fake and gay. I'm done being a bear. I think I'll just sell everything in 4 minutes and start drinking. Burrs so broke they eat cereal with a fork to save milk. First off, fuck Theta and the clique you claim. I am one big win away from starting my capybara sanctuary. This could probably go up or down tbh. Some of you literally stared at a chart for 3 days straight to watch SPY move $1 IMG emote. T52TH52 4271 IMG emote T52TH52 4271 IMG emote T52TH52 4271 IMG emote T52TH52 4271 IMG emote T52TH52 31225. They just interpretate every number in their favored direction. What a rigged shit show. Great news, poors are losing their jobs. America is saved. Don't act like it's not gonna dump at open. If you can't break a resistance during market hours, just pump over it pre-market. Very simple. I wish Visual Mod would fill my gap. Sold all of my NVDA 490p and TSLA 255p for a loss yesterday. IMG emote T52TH52 4271 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 Bot AMD puts IMG emote T52TH52 4271 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 P is stored in the SP500. I'm so upset. I was up 7.5k today. Low, I'm down to 1k. I've never waited so long for a recession in my life. 90 and going home broke. It was fun until it wasn't. Later. Gentlemen, I'd like to announce that my puts are now as worthless as my paycheck. Thank you and good night. I remember when stocks used to go down. It was when I owned calls. Bears praying for a dump like a crack fiend with a shit fetish. Doesn't matter what the data was. They were gonna pump regardless. Pumping just to dump on you again. People will soon be financing their McNuggets with $1 down. Clown face IMG emote T52TH52 4271 Student loan interest begins today, on SBUX. This morning was an epic bull trap. Ayo, whoever said TSLA calls here about 20 minutes ago, I hope we're okay. Red week ahead. IMG emote T52TH52 4271 It is gonna dump at close.